All right, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is March 24th, 2026, and we were able to rinse the Nasdaq for around $1,123, taking these shorts, pretty obvious shorts today. I'm going to go through exactly what I did, how I got there, and how you could do the exact same trades for free. Starting off, going into the day, I looked on the 4-hour and I saw, what do? We came up here and we swept these highs. We left the wick and we rejected it going lower. Yesterday, we had news come out from Trump's tweet pushing us up here. I'm pretty sure that I hit the 0.618 perfectly, which is the perfect retracement. And then we left the wick, and then we proceeded to go down. And obviously, it was just news anyway, so market structure before that was completely bearish. All we did was have one retrace to the perfect retracement point, so I knew we wanted to keep on going lower. Going down to the 1-hour, what do? We had a CISD down to the 1-hour right here with this candle, this black candle right here. Also inversed this blue candle, meaning we had a bearish CISD and a bearish inversion. The only thing that was kind of confusing was that we had no draws, considering that we had swept Asia lows before London even opened, and then we swept Asia highs at London, and then we swept London lows at pre-market. So the only real draws we had were these draws right here, and then obviously we still had to fill in more of this fair value gap that we made from those news. So I knew that that was something that we could potentially target. So going into the day, there's a lot on the screen right now, so I gotta clear it up. We had this unfilled 30-minute right here. This bearish candle was unfilled 30-minute. So I marked that. Going down to the 1-minute at open, we opened up right here. We proceeded to shoot up. We consolidated within this 30-minute gap. We swept these highs right here. After we swept those highs, I wanted to see an inversion. And the highest time frame inversion to that point was a 30-second, which I don't even think I have access to. Yeah, unreal. But either way, there was a 30-second gap, which got inversed. I also wanted to see a 1-minute CISD. And as soon as we got that 1-minute CISD, I entered stops at the swing highs, and then TP was at these lows, I believe. So a little bit less than, it was a 121.43 RR, 5 accounts, a little more than 1.1K. Pretty easy trade. I would have risked more. Only reason I don't like risking more in these trades with my stop loss this little, I don't like the fact, look how many points this is. 50 points. We could have easily came up, wicked out, and came lower if it was a trade, let's say, like this, where there's a lot of breathing room. Then I would have easily risked probably double the size. And the fact that we didn't have any clear draws, because these were not session draws, that was another reason why I risked less. It could have been a 2K day, but it's still a winning day, so not bad. Perfect.